elections.
Swati, you are right. It's the narrative of the Congress party and to some extent even Tejasvi that clicked about the constitution. And that is why you're seeing the Congress and the other opposition leaders carrying the constitution today. And they showed unity in what they did today. A lot of what BJP had thought would happen in April did not happen in June. The Prime Minister, while before taking the oath, he spoke about the emergency. And today, when he took the oath, his voice drowned out the opposition sloganeering. But it's a stronger opposition and it's a united opposition. It's an opposition that's going to do everything possible to see that the ruling BJP walks on hot coals in the coming months. When you ask me about the constitution, as to who saved the constitution, you ask the others too. It's a narrative that clicked in many states, and the opposition knows that when they talked about that they are the saviors of the constitution, obviously the numbers show that somewhere that clicked with the majority of the electorate in many states, maybe not in all, but in some of them. And the BJP is on a back foot on this score. They tried to counter it by saying that, during the elections they countered it, and even today they said that the Congress trampled on the constitution during the emergency. But the fact is that public memory is short. Even then the public memory was short. The public forgave Indira Gandhi for the excesses of emergency. They punished the Janta government for its, for infighting within 3 years of coming to power. And Indira Gandhi came back to power. So today, the BJP has to think of a better narrative. Just talking about Nehru and Indira Gandhi is going to be counterproductive when they talk to the youth of today or even the senior citizens of today, because the senior citizens of today are the ones who know about the 1970s. So, the 2024 monsoon session is going to be a tough one for the BJP, which for 10 years had a relatively easy run of the treasury benches as compared to what the UPA government under Manmohan Singh had. In fact, many say that that's exactly what the opposition wants to do, which is that make it so hard that there's a policy paralysis that happens like it happened in their time. So they want to make it hard for the BJP. And whether it fructifies or not is something that we'll see in the coming months. But checks and balances is what it started off with, but I think it's going to become more and more of coalition drama and about Andolan.